Esty, what you doing?
What? Oh, hi. Ow.
A little bit more. That's not.
What happened? What happened?
Be careful with that glass. Nice. Now the last one.
Isn't it supposed to be over there?
No, 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 over here is good. Давай.
Oh, wait.
Esty is nailing the spikes, hammering the spikes from
I
the.
know what you're doing.
Watch it, the stone. Put it on the grass.
Putting this on YouTube.
Put it on the grass.
Putting it on YouTube.
Of course I'm going to put it on YouTube so you can see it after 50 years. So there's... that's it.
I know that's it.
Nice, all straight, all nice job. Be careful, don't drop it.
I won't drop it.
That's it.
I'm done.
Okay, very nice. Now we got spotlights everywhere.
Here you go.
Thank you. Now, ST, we're gonna feed the birds. Yeah. Put it on the table, these things, but be careful, glass. These are bird feeders. Put one on the table. Give me that.
Ooh, this is pretty.
Put it on the table. Be careful. Put it on the table. Yeah, nice. Now take the
Do
second one.
birds come in?
Now they're gonna come in.
How
Take
they
the
gonna-
second one.
There's two.
We're gonna hang one over there and one over here. Astaro,
But
this
how
is
do they
glass.
get in?
This is glass. Be careful.
But how are they gonna get in? Get
Huh?
in? How are they gonna get in?
Now let me shut off a little bit here. Here. I'm gonna remove this. Mosquitoes, we have to spray more here. We're gonna hang one over there and one over there.
Okay.
I put the food for the birds. See? This is the food for the birds. Wild bird feed.
Wild bird feed.
You see, we have these birds here, right? So we're gonna feed them. They're all gonna come to us. What is this here?
It's the instructions. Here's my mother. Where's she? Mama.
Hello. Las, do we have any herbs? Cilantro, do we have?
Mama.
No, not yet.
Hi. Did you see our beautiful garden? Don't have any cilantro?
Hey.
Misty's enjoying herself. Let me
No,
take a
we're gonna
video
put-
of you.
Hello. How is it too big?
We're putting together bird houses. Have two. Esty is gonna feed birds every morning.
I think you bought the wrong one. You bought the wrong one.
And such a pretty
Mama, look on
bird houses.
Mama, you don't need a screen.
You see? We're gonna
And-
put here.
But how are they gonna? Oh.
Yep.
So cool.
And then they'll come and eat it.
Yeah, but they can't.
We'll take a later picture.
See how I'm pouring here?
Wow.
I don't know what it is.
That is a lot. Right, that's a lot of birdseed.
No.
Rip off tag. Whoa,
What are we gonna do with this, Esty?
we're gonna put it over there.
Так,
And
So much.
да.
for a minute, we're gonna have to
It's gonna be there for a long time.
stop.
Where do we put this one?
And and we'll meet you in a second. Okay.
There's one.
Как они закончили дом уже?
Go.
Look at our beautiful sunlight.
Esty, move. They move with me. What you move? Taking a move. Nah, you go put it.
Where am I supposed
Be
to
careful. Don't lean it.
put
So
it? Where?
right here you can hang it.
Они будут, они...
See, that's it. So, that's one bird feeder.
Come on, take a picture of me, not them.
Now we're gonna do another bird feeder.
Now we're gonna do another one. I'm gonna do it this time, Papa. I'm gonna
We're gonna put the different bag. Open gently. Open gently, like I opened. Open small hole. Yeah, be careful.
I can't do it.
Hold it. Look how you do it. You open like the small hole. Opa, see? You wanna pour it? Are you sure you're gonna pour it?
Yeah,
Good?
yeah. You're gonna...
Just put it in the middle. Pick it up. Up. Up.
There's sandwich tea, pure sandwich tea that we eat.
It's okay, the birds eat that too.
You should be careful of peanuts there.
Is there? Oh, yeah, peanuts, you're right. На, если держи. Держи.
There is? How is there peanuts?
I don't see peanuts. See, different birds eat different food, so
Those are sandwich tea.
The sandwich and you just put
Sandwich tea in Russian. Sandwich tea is in Russian called
sunflower seeds.
sunflower seeds. Yeah.
Yeah, but you see, Alon,
Sunflower
Esty, you
seeds.
just had the seeds. You can have allergy right now. You just put it in your mouth, remember?
When did I ever put it in my mouth?
You just took семечко and started biting it. No?
okay, Esti.
Yes. You want me
Wow.
to show you the video?
This is pretty heavy. I don't want to put it together in one place, but
Понимаешь, они должны...
Pretty, right?
Эти birds, they have to be so little, because они не смогут сидеть. The point of this
вот
whole
здесь
thing...
они сидят. Здесь.
Да, но они должны быть sturdy, понимаешь? Они не смогут даже... Не надо. You understand what I'm saying? It has to be...
Those are my parents
Esti, over here.
in a fight.
Как ты снимаешь всегда? Don't come close. Okay.
A butterfly. Where is that butterfly?
Too far. I still gotta water these plants.
There's the butterfly.
No, this we cannot see.
Calm down. Oh, this is so good. Can I have some of this?
Sound?
Like that. But it's crooked.
Papa, we're gonna have to. Papa, we're gonna have to put more water in that bird thingy.
This water is from the rain supposed to be.
Why? Birds drink water from the rain. Want to take a video?
Let's put it so we can see. Let's see.